In today's lesson, we'll explore how to use AR verbs in the present tense while learning about various food groups in Spanish. Let's dive into a conversation.
We appreciate all the support, likes, and comments. And don't forget to subscribe.
Hola, ¿cocinas pasta a menudo?
No, no cocino pasta frecuentemente, pero preparo ensaladas. ¿Y tú cocinas verduras?
Sí, yo cocino verduras. ¿Y ella prepara postres?
Sí, ella prepara postres. También hornea pan. ¿Y ustedes asan carne?
Nosotros asamos carne y pescado. ¿Ustedes asan pescado?
¿Nosotras? Sí, nosotras asamos pescado y también hacemos sushi.
Let's learn some food vocabulary. How do you say salad in Spanish? Listen and repeat.
Ensalada. Ensalada.
Now, how do you say to cook using an AR verb?
Cocinar. Cocinar.
How about I cook?
Yo cocino. Cocino.
And how would you say you cook?
Tú cocinas. Cocinas.
Let's try a question.
¿Cocinas carne?
Respond with, yes, I cook meat.
Sí, yo cocino carne. Cocino carne.
Now, how would you ask, do you cook vegetables?
¿Cocinas verduras?
Imagine she says, I only cook a little.
Solo cocino un poco.
How do you say a little?
Un poco. Poco.
Now, ask if she cooks pasta often.
¿Cocinas pasta a menudo?
Respond with, no, I don't cook pasta often.
No, yo no cocino pasta a menudo.
Great. Now let's learn how to say different types of food. How do you say fruit
Fruta. Fruta.
and meat?
Carne. Carne.
Well done. Remember, using AR verbs in the present tense can be fun and easy with practice. Keep practicing these verbs with different food items to enhance your Spanish vocabulary.